Hi, myself Aishu of 10th standard from Nur Academy Senior Secondary School. I have been exploring the topic refraction of light. Today I will share my findings on this topic. But before going to start, I will tell you about what is refraction of light. It is a phenomenon of light in which the light rays changes its path due to the changing of medium. Now, I will tell you about what are the two laws of refraction. There are two laws of refraction of light. Number one is the incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal to the interface of two transparent medium of a point of incidence all lie in the same plane. And the second one indicates this Snell law, that is sine of angle of incidence by sine of angle of refraction is equal to constant for a given pair of medium. Now coming to the next point, as you can see here, the light ray enters from air to glass plate and bend towards the normal. Now when can we say that a medium is optically rarer medium and optically denser medium? In comparing both, the lower refractive index is optically denser medium, that is diamond, and the higher refractive index is optically rarer medium, that is air. Now coming to the last topic, that is refractive index. The measurement how much the light bends passes from one medium to another is called refractive index. Refractive index is denoted by n, and the formula of refractive index is speed of light in air is denoted by c, by speed of light in medium is denoted by v. And that's brings us to the end. I hope you liked this video. Thank you.